Now we are going to solve the sixth problem in ninth chapter. Here half-life of the two elements are given, A element and B element. Two elements are given. The half-life of the first element, A element, is how much as per the problem? 20 minutes. The half-life of the second element is how much? 40 minutes as per the problem. Here, what is asked? You are asked to calculate the ratio of the decayed numbers of A and B nuclei after 80 minutes. That is a question which is asked. Initially, the samples have equal number of nuclei. That is also another clue given. Here, first we have to calculate the number of half-lives. Number of half-lives must be calculated. Number of half-lives. How to calculate the number of half-lives? That is nothing but n. Simple formula: total life whole divided by half-life period. First element's half-life period to be written in the denominator. Total life is 80 minutes. That is also mentioned in the problem. So 80 minutes divided by 20 minutes is equal to number of half-lives. So number of half-life is equal to 4 in the case of first element. Now we are going to calculate the same thing in the case of B. Parallelly you have to calculate number of half-lives. N is equal to same formula, total life divided by half-life period of the B element to be calculated. Substitute now. Total life is how much? 80 minutes whole divided by half-life period of the B element is 40 minutes. So the number of half-life is equal to 2. Are you clear? Now we have to find out the number of atoms decayed in element A. Are you clear? Number of atoms decayed in the case of A element. How to calculate? What is the formula? These are all the formulas must be clearly understood and known. Okay, 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power of n. Substitute here, the value of n must be substituted in the formula. 1 minus 1 by 2 power of 4, that must be substituted. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 1 minus 1 by 16. After calculation, you will get the answer as 15 by 16. So this is the answer. Same thing must be calculated here. Number of atoms decayed in B element. Number of atoms decayed in B element to be calculated. Same formula, 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power of n. Substitute now, 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power of 2. 1 minus 1 by 4. The answer will be 3 by 4. So these two answers are found out. By using these two answers, we are going to find out the answer, is it clear, which is required in the problem. What is asked? Calculate the ratio of the decayed numbers of atoms in the case of A and B nuclei to be calculated. Okay. This is the thing which is to be calculated. Ratio of decayed number of atoms of A and B to be calculated. So already we have calculated. First we have to write the formula. Number of atoms decayed in A element whole divided by, what should be written? Number of atoms decayed in B element. Both the two answers are known, both of them to be substituted here. Number of atoms decayed in A element was already found out, 15 divided by 16 whole divided by number of atoms decayed in B element is 3 by 4. How much? 3 by 4. Reciprocate this, 15 divided by 16 into 4 divided by 3. So after calculation you will be getting the answer as 5. Here you will be getting 4. So you are getting 5 by 4. So this one could be written as 5:4. So in that format the final answer must be given. Okay.